Today I'll be showing you how to add and subtract matrices. And here on screen I have two matrices, A and B. Now how would you find A plus B? Well, to add matrices, you just add the corresponding numbers which are in the same position in each matrix. So for example, we can start with the first column of the first row. In A that's 1 and in B that's 2. So our first entry is going to be 1 plus 2. Then we can move on to the second column of the first row. In A that's going to be 3 and in B that's 4. So it's 3 plus 4. And then we just keep going. So now we can do the bottom left corner, which is -4 plus 5. And finally the bottom right corner, which is 2 plus -1. And if you simplify that, you end up with a matrix with 3, 7, -4 plus 5 is 1, and 2 plus -1 is also 1. So that's the matrix you get from doing A plus B. Now what about A minus B? Well, it's exactly the same process, we're just going to do subtraction instead of addition. So you take each element from A and you subtract the corresponding element from B. So starting in the top left corner, we get 1 minus 2. Next 3 minus 4. And then in the second row we have -4 minus 5 and 2 minus -1. And simplifying that, 1 minus 2 is -1, 3 minus 4 is -1, -4 minus 5 is -9, and 2 minus -1 is 3. So there we have A minus B. And something you might have guessed is that you can only add or subtract matrices which have the same dimensions. So as you can see, A was a 2 by 2 matrix, and B was also a 2 by 2 matrix. So that meant that we were allowed to add and subtract them. And then the result you get is also going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. It's going to have the same dimensions as A and B. Alright, have a go at this one. From the matrices A and B on screen, see if you can find A minus B and B minus A. Alright, starting with A minus B, we're going to go element by element, subtracting each element from B from the corresponding element in A. So we have 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1, and -1 minus 0 in the first column. And the second column is going to be 2 minus 2, 4 minus 1, and 2 minus 0. And that gives you 0, 2, and -1 in the first column, and 0, 3, 2 in the second column. So that's the matrix for A minus B. Now what about B minus A? Well, it's going to be the same thing, just in the reverse order. We're going to be subtracting the elements in A from the elements in B. So in the first column, we have 1 minus 1, 1 minus 3, and 0 minus -1. And in the second column, 2 minus 2, 1 minus 4, and 0 minus 2. And that simplifies to 0, -2, 1 in the first column, and 0, -3, -2 in the second column. As you can see, just like normal subtraction, when you're subtracting matrices, the order matters. Alright, here's one final question. So here we have 3 1 by 3 matrices, A, B, and C. What would A plus B minus C be? Well, it's exactly the same process as before. So for each position, we're just going to do the element in A plus the corresponding element in B minus the corresponding element in C. So for the first entry, that's going to be 1 plus 2 minus 0. For the second entry, that's going to be 3 plus negative 1 minus 1. And for the third entry, that's going to be 4 plus 0 minus 7. And simplifying that, you get 3, and 3 plus negative 1 minus 1 is 1, and 4 plus 0 minus 7 is negative 3. And that's how you add and subtract matrices. So thanks for watching.